Hello, it's Crafty Rhea, and I'm back again with another video. This is a follow-up video of a recent video that I posted. I used this Echo Park Just Be You paper pad along with the Good Day Sunshine chipboard stickers from Echo Park. I had some really cool scraps left over and I wanted to use them and make a card with them, make 2 cards with them. So I will set this aside. These are papers from that. This was the piece left over from the one card and that's what it looks like on the back. And this was left over from the other card, the bicycles, and the hearts are on the back. I got these 2 pieces of cardstock that are coordinating colors, and then of course some of these stickers, the cardstock stickers. So I was kind of playing around with these and I liked the way that looks. I thought it would be good on this pink, and then with this piece up at the top, I kind of like that. And then I'll do the same type of thing with the bicycles. Now we have those holes at the top, but we can fix that. So I cut 2 card bases and I want to use the envelopes that match these. So they have to be 4 inches by 5 1/4. I already cut them down to 4. These mats measure 4 by 5 1/4. So I need to take a little bit off so there's room for matting. They fit exactly on the front, but I do want to leave a little bit of a mat. So let's go ahead and trim these down. So this is 5 1/2, so I want to make it at 5 3/8. And in this direction it's 4 inches. And I want to make it at 3 7/8. Just take 1/8 of an inch off each side, off 2 sides, which will take 1/4 of an inch, I mean a 1/16 of an inch off each of the 4 sides. So it has just a little white mat. I will do the same exact thing with this one. 5 3/8 by 3 7/8. If you're a paper quiller, these would come in handy. I've done paper quilling once or twice, but not often. Okay, so I have this piece and this piece. I'm just going to work on the mats right now. So I'm going to cut this down a little bit shorter. And in this case, I can use my pencil to measure kind of where I want to let it be, or how tall I want to make it. I'll probably go right to that green line right there, and I'll do the same thing with the bicycles. Okay, and I'll just trim those little pieces off. If I can find my mark. And I cut just to the inside of that mark, so I don't need to erase anything. So we have that piece. That looks good. That looks good. I'm going to turn this way. Whoops, this way. And I want to see how far I want to cut it. I don't think it would give me enough if I cut that off. Well, maybe, no, I think I'm going to need to leave the part with the hole there. I'm going to turn it over on the back. I'll cut that one there. Same thing with this. Okay. And I'll trim these 2 pieces down. I'll be leaving the insides of the cards blank so I can fill in a sentiment when I need it, if I want to use it as a birthday card or just write a note inside. Sometimes I send people cards blank and I just put a sticky note with my sentiment on the inside so they can reuse the card if they want. Okay, I will adhere these down. My tape runner is going to run out of tape. I will use it up on this video, possibly. I can always switch to glue. I might have enough tape to get through. We'll see. It'll be interesting. It will be a challenge. Do you think I'm going to run out of tape? Leave me a comment below right now and let me know if you think I'll run out of tape. We'll have a little contest. Not really a contest, but it'll be fun to see who's right and who's wrong. I will go ahead and adhere these down to the card bases before I put any embellishments on them. It's easier to put tape on the back if they are still flat. I think I had enough tape. Unless I use it on anything else, I'll have to see. Okay, let's do this one first. I already had in mind what I want to use. I think I'm going to use this big tree and put it there. I think that looks really, really cute. I'm going to put a little glue on the back like I did the other day to help hold these down. They are adhesive on the back, but I think just adding a little bit of glue sometimes helps. I want to line it up with the bottom of that and just kind of make sure it's on the way I want it and then push it down real hard. And then I thought this one looked good up here to cover that hole. Again, I will put some glue on the back of that. Just for good measure. This says, "Good day, sunshine." Now I have that song stuck in my head. I won't sing it for you though. And that is done. I like it. It's very cute using my scraps. And this card, I had a harder time deciding what to use. None of these really went with it, I don't think. But I went through my stash and I found this tag. It says, "Enjoy the little things." And I thought that looked really cute on there. And I need something to cover that hole. And again, I tried all kinds of things on there and I didn't really see what I liked. So I did find this lone flower sitting in my stash drawer along with this, and I thought that would go really cute up there. I have these little stickers and I think I can use this pinwheel in the center of that flower. This is from Echo Park. This is the Summer Dreams collection, and these are like enamel stickers. So I thought that would be really, really cute. So let's go ahead and do the flower first. I think I will use a little bit of my tape runner right on that. I was going to use glue, but it'll take glue a little while to dry. And I thought that would work out better, especially since I'm putting something in the middle. It's okay if it's a little flat on the card. I have glue dots, but I'd have to get up and get them. I didn't plan ahead. Let's see if I can get these to come out of the package. They're really stuck in there. There we go. I think this one matches the card pretty well. And I will put that right on there. It matches the background. Then I have this little tag, and I will pop that tag up on some of these great poppers, humpers, whatever it is you call them. Foam tape. These are from the Dollar Tree, and they're already pre-cut for me. They're very nice. One of my viewers sent me this. It is awesome. I just keep it stored right in the plastic it came in. It just contains it quite well. Otherwise, I think it would go all over my desk. There we go. And I can't really stop there. I think I want to put a little bit of bling at the bottom of this. Got out my bling box. Let's see what I have in here. I have some pearls. I might use these, the colorful ones. I have light pink, maybe. I don't know if I have a teal that matches the background. I have that, but it doesn't match. I don't think I have anything that matches that background, no. So that leaves me with this light pink or the colorful. I think I'll go with the colorful. There are so many colors in those bicycles. I like the pearls too, but they're too high and I already have it. They are very high up off of the page and I already have it on Humper, so I want it to be able to easily fit in an envelope for mailing. So there we go. I made these 2 cards using up the scraps and using stuff that was already in my stash. And then that leaves me with very little scraps left over. These little guys are probably too small to do anything, but I could possibly, I think I'll decorate the envelopes with this. Okay, so I got out the 2 envelopes that match. And let's see how I'm going to decorate the envelopes with these little pieces. I don't have a plan. The chipboard stickers and the enamel dots will be too thick to go through the mail on the envelope. I'm thinking I could just do something like this. Maybe not even that little one. Just put this like right there. I'm going to use my glue, and I want to go all the way to the edge of the paper because it's going to go through the mail. I could get my little sticker maker and run it through there too. That would be a great idea. But again, I'd have to get up and get it. Let's see. Oh, of course I did it upside down. Well, I'm going to seal that envelope upside down and write the address on it. Upside down. Someone's getting an upside down envelope. So this one I will do the right way. I have to do it this way because that's the way that the bicycles are oriented. Same with the hearts. It would have to go this way depending on what side I used. Then I was going to see if that looked good on there. I don't like it. I will just leave it the way it is right there. And I will leave that one the way it is. With this one, I will just address it upside down. Well, I'll address it right side up like this. It will just be sealed upside down. Whoever gets it will get a chuckle. So then I have my little envelopes to go with it, and I've used up every last little bit of scrap. The cards I made the other day. Oh, I already sent the bicycle to somebody. That's how quick I was. But this I could even use on that envelope there. Just to give it a little bit of a fun feel to it. There we go. That one is done. And then these are done. I was trying to figure out a place to use this little guy, but I don't really have a place. I could always put him there after I seal the envelope. Okay, well, there we go. We have a couple of cards made and a couple of envelopes made using my scraps. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't yet subscribed, please click the subscribe button. Please click the bell so you're notified when I post a new video. You don't want to miss any of them. And also, leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you ever made an envelope upside down. And leave it a thumbs up. And until the next time, you know what to do. Go get crafting. Bye-bye.